Hello my gems, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. Valentine Day is around the corner and if you're wondering what shall you give to him, then I got you covered. Been there, done that, and my love language is gifting. So I can tell you that this is definitely the best list that you can have. I can keep the list going on and on, but if you're thinking कि बंदों को टी-शर्ट, वॉच और जूते के अलावा क्या दे सकते हैं, then this video is for you. So let's get started. I'll be getting ready while I share you the best list, and this is an affordable list. You cannot need to burn your pocket to give him a thoughtful gift. हमेशा याद रखना, गिफ्टिंग के टाइम पैसे से ज़्यादा थॉटफुलनेस होना ज़रूरी है. यू शुड बी थॉटफुल अबाउट द गिफ्ट यू आर गिविंग एंड it should depict something. First thing that comes in my mind when I think of gifting to any guy, it will be like a wallet, because wallet plays a very important role in guys life and मैंने आज तक कोई बंदा नहीं देखा है जो wallet के बिना घूमता हो. So yeah, so this is an important part, and if you give them a branded wallet like Tommy Hilfiger और एनी अदर ब्रांड लाइक अभी मेरे दिमाग में बस टॉमी हिलफिगर ही आ रहा है. एंड टू जस्ट स्पेंड लाइक गुड अमाउंट ऑफ मनी लाइक 2000-1500, यू कैन गिफ्ट दैम ए ब्रांडेड वॉलेट. इफ नॉट, देन आई गॉट द बेस्ट थिंग. यू कैन गिव देम कस्टमाइज्ड वॉलेट दैट विल हैव देयर नेम रिटर्न. एंड लेकिन इसको ना थोड़ा पहले ऑर्डर करना. बहुत सारे इंस्टाग्राम स्टोर्स में ये सब अवेलेबल होता है, लेकिन यू नीड टू लाइक ऑर्डर इट लाइक अराउंड 7 days. और अगर तुम मेट्रो सिटीज़ में नहीं रहते हो, then maybe 10 days. Because today is 1st of February, because I think if you order it now, you can easily get it by 7th or 8th. Then it will be sorted for your Valentine. मैंने चेक बैक कर लिया है, सो इट्स वेरी अफोर्डेबल. 700-800 में आपको आराम से मिल जाएगा, उससे कम में भी मिल जाएगा. एंड बहुत सारी जगह पे ना स्टोर्स होते हैं जो लोग इस तरह कस्टमाइज वॉलेट्स बनाते हैं. सो यू नीड टू ऑल्सो फाइंड आउट अगर तुम्हारे शहर में बनाते हैं, यू जस्ट नीड टू सर्च. अगर बनता है तो दैट इज ग्रेट. नाउ कम्स द नेक्स्ट थिंग, परफ्यूम. Perfumes are really important. You can give them any perfume, like any nice perfume. Literally make them happy, I think. And अगर तुम थोड़ा branded afford कर सकते हो तो तुम branded दे दो, थोड़ा luxury perfume में चले जाओ. And if not, then also you can easily get the Man Company's perfume or any other good company perfume, like Ideal Company perfume under 2000 rupees, the full size one. This would be a great gifting option. And अगर तुम वो भी नहीं करना चाहते हो, and if he is into luxury perfume, then what you can do is get the travel size perfume set of the luxury brand or any brand, and you can gift it to him and ask him to try all the perfumes. And if he mentions again, then okay, I used all the perfumes and that perfume was very nice, then you can get the full size perfume. If you're not sure about what he will like also, then also it's a great ideal option. Next thing is Hot Wheels. Okay, I don't get me even started how guys are even so much obsessed with Hot Wheels. मेरे सारे friends इतने obsessed है Hot Wheels से. You can give them Hot Wheels and you can do like a bouquet sort of things like with Hot Wheels, like sticking if you even buy 2 Hot Wheels and make it a bouquet, a little bit of flowers and the Hot Wheels in the middle and a little bit of chocolate, it will make their day. Because guys, बहुत कम लड़कों को ना flowers मिलते हैं, but I think you should always give them flowers to the man of your life, or just to make them happy, and this would make them double happy. This easily आपको 800 के 1000 में मिल जाएगा. You can get 2 or pack of 4. I am very not sure, but I'll put the screenshot over here. So do check out Hot Wheels. Hot Wheels is a great gift. I have asked all my guy friends and they are all crazy about Hot Wheels. The next thing is for like normal. अगर तुम्हारे पास एक दिन भी नहीं है, you have only one day, now you need to prepare a gift. अब order करने का भी time नहीं है, then you do this. What you do, make a gift set. पर्सनलाइज गिफ्ट सेट. तुम एक नॉर्मल परफ्यूम ले आओ, कोई सा भी जो वो यूज़ करता होगा डेली यूज़ पे, वो परफ्यूम, 1 chocolate and 1 t-shirt, and wrap it very nicely, and it will look so presentable. लगेगा ही नहीं कि it's like something very, he will think you have put so much efforts in it. Okay, you don't have the time to order, but you can easily make those boxes for him and he will love it. Even अगर मैं एक normal t-shirt भी किसी को दे रही हूँ, I try to write a small note at least, because it makes them feel personal. So you can do this if you have really less time. And if you think अभी ऑर्डर करने से जल्दी आएगा भी नहीं, then this is definitely the best option for you. Thing you can gift is a coffee set, like tumbler and coffee set. This is a great gift if he is into coffee. You can give him a travel tumbler with his name engraved, and if you cannot find a name engraved one, then you can give him a normal good travel tumbler which you're good to go, and maybe his favorite coffee, any of his favorite coffee or any of the coffee that you think he might like. Next thing is very cliche thing, but I think you can gift him a beaded bracelet, like any couple beaded bracelet, like एकदम कपली वाला थिंग नहीं जो क्रिंजी लगे, लव का आधा टुकड़ा वहाँ है तुम्हारे पास आधा है, वैसे वाला नहीं. एक नॉर्मल beaded bracelet you can give to him which he can wear on daily basis. It will make them think okay, and they will wear it every day, and it will remind him of you. See, I like to give gifts that I use on a daily basis. Next thing is a very functional gifts. See, we girls, at least most of the girls, love cute, aesthetic type of thing that is not really useful. You need to agree it with me, because कभी कभी मुझे खुद भी लगता है when you just see कि उतना यूजफुल नहीं है, बट जस्ट बिकॉज इट लुक्स क्यूट एंड एस्थेटिक वी रियली वांट टू बाय देम. लेकिन बंदे वैसे नहीं है, उनको कोई मतलब नहीं है क्यूट है एस्थेटिक है, कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता उनको. इट शुड बी फंक्शनल एंड अदरवाइज इट शुड बी ब्रांडेड. सो यू कैन गिव देम ए ब्लूटूथ स्पीकर. क्रोमा में इजीली ब्लूटूथ स्पीकर आपको 500-600 से स्टार्टिंग में मिल जाएगा, and they works really good. मैं बता रही हूँ, I have personally used and I have also seen people using Chroma के speakers like 500-600 से भी शुरू होते हैं, and they really last long, and the sound quality is also really good, and you also get a 1-year warranty, so that's the best. मैं बस ये नहीं बोली तुम क्रोमा से लो, लेकिन तुम क्रोमा से लो, रिलायंस से लो. Basically it starts from 500-600 and you can easily wrap it around and write something small note and gift it to him, and he will find it really useful, thoughtful, and थोड़ा tech savvy होते हैं, so they love technology वाले things. Okay, nice. This is a really good gifting option. I think he already has a speaker in his home. Then what you can gift him, small tiny speakers, the travel friendly speakers. I think one of my friend has that speaker. जब हम लोग ट्रिप्स पे जाते थे, आई थिंक ही यूज्ड टू कैरी इट, आई रियली डोंट रिमेंबर, लेकिन किसी के पास तो था. एकदम छोटू सा स्पीकर था, इतना सा, एंड उसकी आवाज़ बहुत अच्छी थी. इट हैज़ ग्रेट बेस एंड इट यूज्ड टू बी लाइक perfect. So you can gift him this nano speakers if he already has one big speaker. Then you can, next thing that you can gift is sports merchandise. Like कोई भी स्पोर्ट्स मर्चेंडाइज दे दो उनको, दे विल लव इट. स्पेशली अगर तुम्हारे बंदे को क्रिकेट पसंद है, देन गिफ्ट हिम मर्चेंडाइज ऑफ क्रिकेट. अगर फुटबॉल तो फुटबॉल, बेसबॉल तो बेसबॉल, बास्केटबॉल तो बास्केटबॉल. Just gift him a sport merchandise of that sport he loves. Not seen many people giving a sport merchandise. Like this is a great option. Normal टी-शर्ट तो सभी देते थे, तुम कुछ यूनिक करो अब. So yeah, this is it for this video. I hope you have enjoyed. Thank you for watching. If you like anything on the video, kindly subscribe button. This would mean the world to me. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.